Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you an Excel hack to automatically AutoFit columns. AutoFit is one of those Excel tricks or Excel hack that can really make your work easier. When you type something in a cell, for example, I will type this word, project types, and just looks. It's overflow past the column like this, but with this tutorial, you won't need to manually adjust the column with a key. Alright, let's jump straight into the first steps. First, go to the sheet tabs that you want to apply AutoFit to. Then right click and then choose view code. After the view code windows appears, just change the drop down from general to worksheets and then type the comment like this: cells entire column AutoFit, like this. Now just close the window and then try typing something again like this, maybe project types, and tada, the column width will automatically adjust to fit the length of your text. And even if we type a few more words in the next cell, maybe like date completed, like this, and I will type the one below like this, tutorial videos, like this. The column width will still adjust automatically. Alright, that's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you.